I hope you guys are ready, because it's time to blast off into action. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Dragonoid Colussus. As we all know by now, Dragonoid Colussus is one of the most powerful Bakugan in Bakugan Gundalian Invaders, and was the last hope against Bardock and Dardock. Okay, that was just a distortion. Oh, sorry about that, you guys. My throat has been a bit sore lately. But we're gonna finish up this character. You see, Dragonoid Colussus is one of the most powerful characters in the Bakugan Gundalian Invaders series. As we all know, Dan and Drago have taken their powers to new heights and new limits. If you ask me, I always thought that Dragonoid Colussus was one of the Dragonoid's evolved forms. Plus, seeing Dragonoid shatter his limit time after time again, over and over, that was just so amazing to look at. Anyways, drawing a Dragonoid Colussus can be a bit easy. So, when drawing him, you must start with his eye, then his horn. There we go. There's his horn here. Now we just have to draw the bottom of his mouth. Bakugan has never been so powerful in their lives. So, we've seen the commercial back in 2010, and if you ask me, Dragonoid Colussus was like one of the best toys I ever got in 2010, because, Bakugan has been improving on its skills. And, well, basically, they stopped doing the show ever since 2012, and they made a comeback in 2019. And basically, Dan and Drago, they've returned and have become, it's like they had to start their lives over again, but it's actually the reboot version of Bakugan. Okay, so the next thing you gotta do is that you gotta draw his head here. I'm so sorry, buddy. Now then, we just have to draw his head here. Alexa, what is Smilodon?
Smilodon is a genus of the extinct Machaerodont subfamily of the felids. It is one of the most famous prehistoric mammals and the best-known saber-toothed cat. Although commonly known as the saber-toothed tiger, it was not closely related to the tiger or other modern cats. Smilodon lived in the Americas during the Pleistocene epoch.
Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
go. There we go. There's his wing here. Hold on a second, you guys. I gotta fold something up. There. There we go. Now, the next thing you gotta draw is this mark above his wing here. There we go. There we go. Now we just have to draw his tail here. And finally, we just have to draw his other leg. Now for this part here. Back off, Starscream! I can't believe this guy. And done. Basically, that is how you draw Dragonoid Colussus. And done. Pretty impressive, don't you think, guys? And as for a reward, I'm gonna show you guys the actual Dragonoid Colussus action figure. Super cool, am I right, guys? Anyways, just so you guys know, Dragonoid Colussus is a really big but also powerful Bakugan. So when you bring him into battle, you must unfold the legs here and add this part. You must open the wings here, the horns, and let's assemble the battle gear. Blasteroid! Nukex gear! Okay, see the Bakugan have pegs here, and you plug them in. Blasteroid! And finally, we drop the ball in, and it's time to blast off into Hold on. It's time to blast off into outer space! Oh yeah! There he is, Dragonoid Colussus. Anyways, one last thing. We just add this last battle gear to it. And place it in the front. There we go. Now we just unfold Battlix Dragonoid here. There we go. Next thing you do is that you gotta unfold these two pegs here for Nukex. And finally, we just turn the tail upside down and done. That's how you build Dragonoid Colussus. Pretty awesome, don't you think, guys? I must say, Dragonoid Colussus is one powerful Bakugan. I'm proud of it. Well done. Bravo, bravo. Now, let's get to how this Bakugan functions. We have the base here, and, well, basically, this is what it looks like with all the battle gears on. Basically, the battle gears were not seen until Dragonoid Colussus showed them when he was on Planet Gondalia with Blitz Dragonoid. And, well, basically, with the Dragonoid Colussus, he can only be activated with an exclusive Bakugan Battlix Dragonoid. He's like Blitz Dragonoid, except he looks different like. And he comes equipped with these all sorts of battle gear. These special battle gear are Axitor, which was used for Blitz Dragonoid, Beam Blitzer, my favorite battle gear, because it looks like a turret with cannons on it. Awesome. Next up is Nukex gear. This battle gear should be perfect for Battlix Dragonoid. It should be perfect for Battlix Dragonoid because it has wings and it looks like Jet Core. And finally, there's the Blasteroid. It's like a giant tail for for Dragonoid Colossus, but for other Bakugan, it functions as a stinger. Pretty amazing. It functions as a pretty amazing stinger. Anyways, I'm glad you guys enjoyed your fun at watching this video. And if you want to learn more about Dragonoid Colossus, be sure to go to the Bakugan wiki on fandom. And basically, that's about it. And it'll show you more about Dragonoid Colossus. And if you like the show, you can subscribe to that channel too. Anyways, that's how you draw Dragonoid Colossus, and that's what the Dragonoid Colossus toy looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and be sure to like and rock and subscribe, and I'll let you guys know what kind of awesome character I'll draw you guys next. See you again soon. Roar!